And this is your daily dose of internet. This company uses hundreds of drones to create some incredible designs in the sky. This beverage cart started spinning out of control at the airport.
Gonna hit the airplane, here it goes.
The spinning was eventually stopped when a worker rammed another cart into it.
That's how you do it.
Here's a fuzzy bunny that almost doesn't look real. This massive tornado was caught on camera in Colorado back in 2016. In case you didn't know, this is what ears look like on a raven. This little puppy fell asleep in about 2 seconds.
Buddy, we gotta put some back into it.
You're ridiculous, Bowser. Oh, he fell asleep. Oh my God.
Is he? I can't see.
A photographer filmed this airplane creating rainbow contrails in the sky. This fish has a really strange appendage in its mouth that it uses to catch smaller fish. That's in this video. Hopefully I was able to make your day just a little better, and I'll see you guys again. This teacher is holding a regular jar filled with water. Because of water surface tension and air pressure, the water does not fall out of the jar when she removes the cover.
In all directions, but pushing upwards to hold the liquid in, right?
Yes.
And if I take this off, what should happen?
Pushing up the water.
Should come out, but
That's not fair.
Witchcraft. What is this?
John, no, Gabby move, Jonathan move.
Yeah, okay.
Move for a second.
He's taking a. That's not okay.
And why is it?
This person created a strawberry that screams whenever you cut into it. This baby elephant was found incredibly weak and unable to stand up. The closest elephant hospital was over 6 hours away, so the baby had to go for a ride in a helicopter. After a few days of care, the elephant is now happy and healthy.
Oh yeah!
These firefighters rescued a baby deer that got stuck in a sewer drain.
Yeah, got him. So I can't even walk.
Well done, guys.
My dad and I like to feed the squirrels that live by our house. They usually shove their faces up against the glass door until somebody feeds them.
Hi. Come on. Come on. Come on.
About once every 7 years, there's a nature path in Brazil that gets completely submerged underwater from heavy rainfall. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very
What's up, buddy? Hello. Hi, buddy.
You can make a leaf move on water by using soap. This soap lowers the surface tension of the water, which makes it harder for the water to stick to the leaf, which causes it to move around. This is called the Thatcher effect, where an image looks completely fine until you turn it right side up. Here's a moth that really doesn't want to be touched. Every day, this guy makes a trip to the market by balancing pineapples on his head. Here's a quick look at the race to be the most valuable company in the world. There was an earthquake in Italy last night, and you can really see how much things were shaking. This is what a professional racing sailboat looks like. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. This baby rhino was rescued and then raised in a sanctuary with a friendly goat. As a result, the baby rhino loves to copy the jumping behavior of the goat. These people were filming their podcast show when a security guard showed up.
Yeah, no, I'm just filming them because I like them. Yeah, I'm not with them at all.
Pardon me?
We're just recording
We're just
audio.
recording
Is that
audio.
okay?
This audio?
Yeah, just
a
audio.
little audio tribe.
So nothing's being filmed.
We're not
No,
filming
no.
anything ourselves, no. Thanks, man.
Thank you. Yeah, he
just
asked if
started-
he could film
he
us.
just-
We said
he
yeah.
You guys aren't together.
No,
No.
we're not together.
Sorry. I cannot believe we got away with that.
Yes. Oh. Sorry.
After every single meal, this dog runs over to its owner to get burped. A few days ago, a massive tornado that was over a mile wide touched down in Kansas. The resulting damage was absolutely devastating. This little burb is absolutely mesmerized by this washing machine. This person made a stop-motion animation of Spider-Man fighting crime. This diver found this incredible feathered starfish off the coast of Thailand. This little baby gazelle stopped by to play. That's in this video. I really hope you enjoyed.